Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Nareth and welcome to Style Him Now. I hope you guys are staying cool because we are getting all kinds of record-breaking heat right now here in California. So with all the heats going on this year, I thought I want to do a more trendy shoes that are very popular right now in the fashion industry, and that is the loafers. So in today's video, we are going to unbox 3 different loafer, and the price are ranging from $70 to $90 right now. And loafer are super trendy right now. It's very light, it's very versatile. You can wear it just for casual or you can wear it for professional. It's really up to you, and it really help prep up your outfit a lot too. So without further ado, let's take a look at these 3 boxes right now. And the first one we are going to take a look with is the Tommy Hilfiger. And first impression, the material is very nice. I got my note here as well, so let's take a look at the descriptions. So it is imported, it's 100% synthetic, so these are man-made, so this is not real leather. It may look like leather, but it is not. As far as synthetic go, a lot of the fashion industry lately has been stepping up their synthetic materials game, and you can really get some really nice synthetic material that feels like real leather. In this case, it does feel like real leather. It's very soft, it's very long. For loafer, generally I suggest to go with a true size or half size smaller, just because a lot of times people don't wear this with socks, so you don't need there's not a lot of cushion to help fill in those extra space. So go with either a true size or half size smaller and you should be fine. So this boot is called the Men's Arias Driving Style Loafer. It's more of a shape of a boat, and it has the ribbon design here on the top, and the ribbon basically go through, there's a bunch of little holes that wraps around from one side of the boots all the way around and then to the back side of the boots. And the stitching is really good. For this kind of loafer, it has a different styles of stitching. The stitch does not go like parallel to each other. There's like a big gap of space in between, so that is a different kind of stitching that they do for the loafer. It's very light. I like that a lot because you don't want it to be too heavy. It has a really nice cushion as well. The concept is for it to just be very simple with the little ribbon on the top for style point. It's very light. I like the comfort. It's very cushiony, and that's gonna help a lot when you wear without socks. You want that little cushion at the bottom of your heel, and for around $70, that's usually like the standard for a medium quality. So this is the Tommy Hilfiger Men's Arias Driving Styles Loafer. Next we have the Stacy Adam Valor Bit Slip-On Loafer. Wow, that was a tongue twister for sure. It comes in a fabric bag, which is really cool. For like customer experience, the presentation is very important as well. This is what the loafer look like. So let's run through some of their information. 100% import, 100% synthetics, which is man-made. A really nice leather sole. So leather sole at the bottom. Microfiber lining. Okay, so you can see this is basically what the microfiber lining is. It's fabric material that line the top that give you that blue look. At first glance, this loafer does look a little bit big. Just for that, I got this in a 9.5, so I suggest go with a half size smaller. Fit you just perfectly. So for this Stacy Adam, I suggest go with a half size smaller. It will fit you perfect. You get the synthetic with the microfiber lining at the top, and then you also get the 100% genuine leather for the sole as well. This is actually the first time I've run into shoes that have this type of leather at the bottom, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be really good for for the shoes or not. Besides that, you get the 1/2 inch rubber heel at the bottom, and the fiber feels really nice. You get this little golden button at the top just for styles. Overall, there's not a lot of styles on these shoes. As you can see, it's mainly the button and the flashy blue color. This loafer is very soft, and they also have memory foam at the heel. It's very soft, it's very cushiony, and this is the Stacy Adams loafer. And lastly, we have the floor shim. As if you've been a fan of this channel, you already know that I'm a huge fan of floor shim. I absolutely love their shoes. They provide really great value shoes with a lot of add-on and perks on their shoes. So let's take a look at this loafer, and this is a little bit more on the casual to possibly like a suits and professional types of loafers. So let's take a look. So this is called the Florsheim Medfill Bike Toe Slip Loafer Dress Shoes. So this is 100% leather. It has rubber sole, and it also have memory foam. A really nice fact about Florsheim is that all of their shoes, they have customized sole. What that means is that they work with a company that specializes in customizing sole, and they incorporate that into their products, and that just add great values to their products, just because the comforts that they provide compared to a traditional insole, it's outstanding. And they are, a lot of times they are removable. So let me take a look to see if this is removable. And they are removable. So I did a review of the Florsheim a while back as well, and they have the same insole as this one. So this is 100% leather. This is what it looks like. I love the way it feels. This leather feels really smooth, and it's very soft. The stitching is amazing. It's double stitched all around. One thing about Florsheim is that when it comes to their stitching, it's flawless. Out of all three of these, the Florsheim is the heaviest. Also, adding weight to it is that the fact that they are 100% leather. For the lining, it's very soft. Just like ASOS, I feel like these companies are catching on really nice with their lining, because you have a little nice cushion on the inside, and it just feels really good. And you pair that with the insole, it's just flawless, amazing. It has a rubber outsole on all of these. I can see myself wearing this with professional clothes as well as casual clothes. I love the way it looks. It's very simple. It's just leather with stitch, and they focus heavily on providing you comfort. So overall, summer is here. It's super freaking hot. Loafers are a great choice for casual wear. They provide a lot of airflow on these types of design. It still looks great whether you wear it with casual or more of a dressed up outfit. So this is the unboxing of the loafer featuring the Tommy Hilfiger. You got the Stacy Adams here, and you also have the Florsheim. But this is gonna be the first of many more unboxing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy these content, and it helps support this channel a lot if you subscribe, and there will be more unboxing video in the future. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.